my session uh, of TypeScript. So before starting any coding or any practical work, let's understand what is a TypeScript. Okay, so this is all about the TypeScript that it is developed by the Microsoft in 2012. Basically, it is a superscript of a JavaScript, or you can say upper layer of the JavaScript. Okay, what happens? It compiles the code. Okay, that TypeScript compiles the code into the JavaScript. So TypeScript compiler is a compiler which converts TypeScript code into the JavaScript code. Okay, main advantage is it is also an open source programming language, and good to hear that TypeScript supports object oriented programming language. So it supports class, it supports interfaces, it supports modules, etc. So basically, when we talk about the syntax of TypeScript, it is similar as like same as JavaScript, but it also supports some additional syntax. Like I said, it supports a class interfaces. So these are having some additional syntax. And file extension of JavaScript file is .js, and file extension for TypeScript is .ts file. Okay. So you can see this how TypeScript is upper layer of the JavaScript. Okay. Now let's understand what you should know before working on the TypeScript. Okay, so basically you should know object-oriented programming concept because TypeScript strongly supports these features and it is very useful. Okay, you should also know basic JavaScript knowledge because when you talk about the syntax, its syntax are similar as JavaScript. It also supports ECMScript 2015 or ES6 knowledge. So these are the three important points you should know before starting of that Java of TypeScript.
Thank you for watching my video. I am going to upload more practical videos soon, so please subscribe my channel and stay connected. Thank you.